Welcome to Uniphos 350M Phosphine Alert training video. In this video, we will be having a look at introduction and various modes of operation. Introduction. Uniphos 350M comes with several accessories like battery charger, RS-232 cable for data downloading, calibration cap, and instruction manual CD. The front panel of the instrument has got 4 keys: up, down, center and enter. 3 LED indicators: green for power, red for high alarm, blue for low alarm, an alphanumeric OLED display, RS-232 port for communication with PC, and a charging socket. Press and hold enter key for 2 to 3 seconds to switch on the instrument. The instrument starts to prompt model number, software version, range, resolution, last cal rate, present date and time. The instrument has got 4 major modes of operation: measurement mode, setting mode, data downloading mode, and calibration mode. Measurement mode. After a short warm-up period, the instrument enters into measurement mode and displays phosphine concentration present in ambient atmosphere. On pressing up key, instrument will show battery status for 3 seconds and will come to measurement mode. Setting mode. Press set key to go into parameter setting mode from measurement mode. Digit value and cursor position can be changed by using up and down keys respectively. Press up key to increment digits value and down key to shift the cursor into desired position. Changes are to be confirmed by enter key, while can be skipped by pressing set key. The date and time can be set in date, month, year, and hour, minute, second format respectively by using the 4 membrane keys. Lock time can be set to any value in between 1 to 99 minutes. Instrument serial number can be set if necessary. Serial number of the instrument is mentioned on rear panel of the instrument. Data logging can be enabled or disabled by pressing enter key or can be skipped by pressing set key. This model is also available with vibration alarm or Bluetooth for communication with PC or printer. Vibrator can be enabled or disabled and printer ID can be set in similar way. Data downloading mode. Press enter key to go to data downloading mode from measurement mode. Press up key to download data. Press set key to interrupt data downloading and go to measurement mode. Data can be erased by pressing the down key if necessary. Please note that this action will erase the data permanently. It is recommended to take backup of the data before erasing the data. Calibration mode. Calibration involves 2 steps: zero gas calibration and span gas calibration. Zero gas calibration. Press down key to go into calibration mode and enter password. On successful authentication, instrument will go into zero gas calibration and will sample ambient air for 30 seconds. Zero calibration will be successful only if zero calibration count is in between 0 to 100, else zero calibration will fail. Please ensure that the ambient air is free from the target gas while doing this operation. Span gas calibration. On successful zero calibration, instrument will ask for desired span gas value. Note: entered span gas value should be in between 20% to 80% of full scale, else will not be accepted by the instrument and instrument will once again ask for span gas value. Enter span gas value, connect calibration cap with source, and press enter key. Instrument will take samples of span gas for next 90 seconds and will show respective counts along with the timer. Span gas calibration will be successful only if the raised count at the end of 90 seconds falls in the acceptable range, else span calibration will fail and instrument will come back to measurement mode. The acceptable range of span count is from span gas value multiplied by 100 minus 300 to span gas value multiplied by 100. On successful span gas calibration, last calibration date of the instrument will be updated automatically. Press and hold the enter key for 2 to 3 seconds to switch off the instrument.